Identity management is crucial in cybersecurity. We here want to emphasize the growing threats posed by cybercrime and cyberterrorism, respectively. We want to highlight the risk to organizations of all sizes, underscoring that even small businesses, often perceived as low-value targets, are highly vulnerable, with 60% failing after significant cyber incidents. Both state and non-state actors will exploit human error and engage in credential theft, demonstrating the need for comprehensive identity and access management IAM frameworks. Authentication, the process of verifying identities, has transformed over centuries, from physical seals and signatures to digital tokens. Today, physical credentials have largely been replaced by digital ones, but the risks remain: identity theft, unauthorized access, and system compromises. This challenge is amplified in a digital era where human transactions often occur with automated systems rather than other humans. Examples range from online banking to industrial robots controlled by supervisory systems like SCADA. To mitigate risks, cybersecurity experts recommend multi-factor authentication, MFA, which combines three categories of credentials: something you know, like passwords or PINs; something you have, such as tokens or smartphones; something you are, evidenced by biometric attributes like fingerprints, facial recognition, or iris scans. These principles extend to machine-to-machine communication, where secure protocols and credential exchanges, including IP addresses and authentication keys, play a crucial role. Biometrics, such as fingerprints, retina scans, and facial recognition, offer unique identification but are not impervious to exploitation. A single fingerprint scan, for instance, translates to a small digital file, making it susceptible to replication and misuse. However, advanced scanners incorporate safeguards like capacitive sensors and eye motion analysis, ensuring higher security. Regulatory frameworks like GDPR advocate for decentralized storage of biometric data. For example, systems like Windows Hello and Android phones store biometric credentials locally on devices rather than in the cloud, reducing risks associated with centralized data breaches. The best practice involves using biometrics as part of MFA rather than as standalone identifiers. The NIS2 directive, introduced by the EU, establishes a robust framework for improving network and information system security. Compliance requires federated identity management systems combining biometric and non-biometric authentication factors, secure password management, and solutions addressing single sign-on (SSO) challenges, continuous monitoring through security information and event management (SIEM) systems, disaster recovery, and business continuity plans. These measures form a minimum baseline for securing digital ecosystems, but should be viewed as stepping stones to more proactive strategies. Ensuring data integrity involves verifying not only the sender's identity, authenticity, but also the unchanged nature of messages during transmission. Cryptographic innovations underpin this effort, with key contributions like I. Kirchhoff's principle: assume adversaries know the encryption algorithm, protect the encryption key at all costs. I. Diffie-Hellman and public key infrastructure, PKI, mechanisms for securely establishing shared secrets and verifying message integrity. Chiari, advanced hashing standards like SHA-3, ensuring secure and efficient data verification. Encryption protocols like TLS transport layer security remain foundational in defending against man-in-the-middle MITM attacks and securing communication. We must, perhaps, say a few words about quantum cryptography. Quantum cryptography garners attention for its potential to revolutionize cybersecurity. However, we are skeptical about its immediate applicability and favor ongoing advances in traditional semiconductor and nanotechnology processes. Innovations like NVIDIA's energy-efficient chips demonstrate the power of conventional engineering to meet evolving computational needs. So, what is the conclusion? Cybercrime now imposes an economic cost of up to $10 trillion annually, equivalent to 10% of global GDP. The rapid growth of cybercrime, projected at 15% per annum, far outpaces the expansion of the ICT industry itself. This alarming trend demands urgent action. Organizations, particularly SMEs, must prioritize IM, disaster recovery, and compliance frameworks like NIS2 to protect themselves against cyber threats. Beyond compliance, adopting a proactive mindset is essential. Simple steps like regular vulnerability analysis, effective IAM policies, and event monitoring can significantly enhance resilience. Ultimately, the cost of inaction, both financially and in terms of operational continuity, is far greater than the investment required to safeguard digital infrastructures.